today I'm going to show you how to create a quick and easy DL card with this collection, Word of Man. So this is a collection which has 12 sheets of patterned paper and one extra at the back of the cover. So these are the papers in this collection. If you haven't seen those papers, I'm going to link all the products below the video so you can check it out. And these are the elements at the back of that cover. Also from this paper pack, I'm going to use those two papers, so number 2 and number 6, and also I'm going to use actually a little bit of that number 1, but I'm going to actually use that little strip at the bottom of the reverse side just to cut out that little reinforcer for my tag. So this is the collection, and this collection also has this a creative set Word of Man elements to fussy cut, so you can see a lot of beautiful elements, and I fussy cut some of those foliage and some of those as well. I'm not going to use a sentiment on my card today because I'm not sure who's going to receive it, so I'm going to keep it without a sentiment this time. So, and also I'm going to use this photo strip, which is the photos film 10 by 3 centimeters. Is this CW265, and I'm going to use the tag set, which is CW269. As I said, I'm going to link everything below the video so you can check out all the products. So I'm going to use those two sets. So these are my elements which I already fussy cut, and they are ready to use. So basically I've got my DL card. I've got one matte and layer which is already I've got already attached that 3D foam pad just to give a little bit of dimension to my card. So let me glue this one first. And as you can see, all those papers are so beautiful, and I think these are perfect to create masculine cards. So first layer goes completely flat on my card blank. This is pre-cut card blank with a top fold. So let me just show you. So this one has a top fold here. And then next layer will be this pattern paper. And I really love this pattern paper. This one, it looks like a knitted cardigan. layers. There are a few layers and it's really nice and pretty. And I still got a space, for example, if I want to give it to someone for a birthday, I can add some numbers, and I think that would be nice. And the placing here is perfect as well for any sentiment I wanted to add later on. So, but I think I'm going to add something more. I've got this Nouveau aroma drops, and these are really nice. And this color is called blueberry smoothie. Oh wow, this is nice name. So what I'm going to do, I am going to add few Nouveau drops here and there. Let's see if it's going to work. Yeah, I like this one. Another one here, because I really want to see if I can fit a sentiment, and maybe another two on the top. I like to do 2 Nouveau drops. Okay, let me do 3. And my card will go into a box, so don't worry about that it's not going to fit into an envelope, because it's not going to envelope. And that's what I do with Nouveau drops. If you tap your card or project, of course if you can, it will create those nice round drops. So this is the card I created for Craft&You Design, and it's I was using Word of Man collection, which I'm going to link below the video. I also use those 2 cutting dies, as you could see at the beginning of the video. So let me know, what do you think about this collection? Let me know what do you think about this card, and have you used this collection already, or maybe by watching this video you're going to actually go for it. So thank you so much for watching. And check out all those links below the video, and I will see you in my next one very soon. Bye for now.